Hi everybody, here we are in Eskdale and we're just going up to look at a waterfall. We've crossed one bridge, you can see that. We're going up by the side of the stream or the river, I think it's a river. We're going to cross another bridge just up there and then a long way up to the top. There's one little waterfall. I would presume it's slightly more impressive if it was higher water. And we're just about to cross over the second bridge. There's a third bridge, but I think that one's shut. Yeah, so some more waterfall here. The third bridge is shut. We're still repairing it, so we're going to have to go around. I think we're going to have to go up. And we're going to just have to go off this path. Some people come in. I think that could possibly be the waterfall, but we can't get to it by the lower path because there's been landslides and trees down, and yeah, there were notices up saying that it wasn't open to the lower path. Yeah, that's the reason why they've not finished it. So I'm assuming it's going to go up there slightly. Don't know. Probably won't be back. Right. Here we are at the viewing platform, and it hangs out right over the gorge. That is a little bit scary. So that's where we come from. Go back! Go back! Go on! Right, I'm going to try and find the others now because they've all marched off. Right, so that was quite nice, a little bit on the scary side. When you've got a platform you can look through, you know it's going to take your weight, otherwise they want to put it there. Go on.